Kadance is one of the most popular free themes on the market today, and comparing it with WooCommerce is a no-brainer. It comes packed with options to change your site to make it look exactly how you want and make your store look pretty awesome. One thing it's missing though is a compare products. We're going to go over some both paid and free versions as well as my own. So let's dive right in. To start with, we're using WooCommerce and the Kadance theme. We're going to add products into the compare products, just like this. Now, most plugins all work this similar way. You can just add them quickly to a list. Where my plugin differs from most is that you actually can choose which ones you want to see next to each other. And you also get all the information instead of just a partial glimpse of it. So if you just want to see these two next to each other, you can do that. If you want to bring that one back, you can do that as well. As you see, this is a very engaging and comprehensive way for your customer to view your products. But if you don't want to get my plugin, there's some free ones out there, and I'm going to go over one called the YHN Compare Products plugin. This Compare Products plugin had 70,000 downloads, and I changed it to an icon. It was text like the previous plugin. And again, they have same kind of functionality where it just adds it to the list and you can't really do much. So then just continue adding stuff and removing, but then you can't add it back in. I find this not as engaging, but if this is the type that you like, then go ahead and do it. One thing I do like about this plugin is that you can actually search for products. So if you search for one of those, you can add it from here, which I find that is pretty cool. So out of the two, I would pick this one if I had to, but I do think the plugin I built is far more engaging. Now, if you're looking for those two plugins that are free, you can just search up compare. That will come up right over here. The first one was the YITH WooCommerce Compare plugin with 200,000 downloads. And the other one was the WPC Smart plugin. I think this one is pretty cool. I think it's far better than this one, but you can choose. To get my plugin, you can go to the link in the description and download it, and you will have far more options as well as wish list, quick view, and everything combined into one amazing shopping experience. Unfortunately, most of the free plugins do come with a whole bunch of drawbacks, but they still will increase your engagement on your sites. So you can consider them, or you go with my plugin or their premium versions, which will probably enhance the experience far more than the free versions. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.